Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off your Conga 5090 and unplug it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety while working on the device. Next, remove the dust container by pressing the release button. This will give you access to the internal components. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the back panel of the vacuum. Be sure to keep the screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is removed, you will see the internal wiring and the Wi-Fi module. Check for any loose connections or visible damage. If you notice any disconnections, gently reattach them. It's important to handle these components with care to avoid further issues. Now let's clean the internal area. Use the soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This can often interfere with the device's performance. If you find this process too daunting, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your needs. After cleaning, locate the Wi-Fi module. Ensure that the antenna is securely connected. If it appears damaged, it may need replacement. At this point, if you're unsure about proceeding, consider our collection and delivery at your home service. This way, you won't have to worry about transporting your device. Once you've checked the connections and cleaned the interior, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to prevent any rattling during operation. Now, plug the Conga 5090 back in and turn it on. Navigate to the settings menu and attempt to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. If the connection fails, it may be worth resetting the device to factory settings. This can often resolve persistent connectivity issues. If you're still experiencing problems, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before any work begins. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your device. In summary, maintaining your Conga 5090's Wi-Fi functionality involves regular cleaning and checking of internal components. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot common issues effectively. However, if you find the process overwhelming, remember that our services are here to help, with no calls and no travel required on your part. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.